Hello everyone, how you doing? And in this quick tutorial, we will fix incoming or outgoing calls problem in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. So if you're facing any problem regarding incoming or outgoing calls in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, simply first of all you just need to open settings. So first just tap on settings and then do the same as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.